Hi, and in today's video, we're going to unpack what it means to be data-driven. There's a lot of talk about being data-driven, but what does it actually mean? So today we're going to separate fact from fluff from fiction. My name is Jesper Laugren, and I'm an enterprise architect with DXC. I specialize in helping organizations create scale by transforming and making better use of data.
And my name is Haibo Yang. I'm a principal data architect specialized in modernizing data platforms and analytical solutions to enable organizations with high quality insights and decisions. In this video, part 1, we will discuss what it means to be data-driven and share a framework to become data-driven. In the next video, part 2, we will discuss an assessment-based approach to become data-driven and share an industry case study of what it means in reality.
We define data-driven as controlling using data. This definition goes beyond the traditional meaning, which typically centers around data warehouses. Our definition covers all operations of an organization from the moment data is created to it is ingested, processed, analyzed, and archived. Data is a lubricant in an organization. Higher data quality leads to increased automations in operational systems such as CRMs and ERPs, and to better analytical insights from analytical systems such as data warehouses. Together, automation and insights create scale. There are different types of data. In the previous video, we discussed structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. But there are different ways of looking at data, and we can also look at data in the context of reference data, master data, and transaction data. This view is important because reference data and master data play different roles in enabling automation and business insights. Master data describes core business entities such as customers, products, suppliers, employees, and locations. Master data is essential to maintain consistency and integrity across systems and processes. Reference data classifies or categorizes master data, such as codes, types, and statuses. An example of reference data would be type of customer. Reference data is often used to validate or constrain other data and is especially important for automation. Transaction data is generated through day-to-day operations such as sales orders, invoices, and payments. It plays a critical role in business insights, but the quality of transaction data is often a result of the quality of the master data and the reference data. Reference data and master data play a critical role in becoming data-driven, but how does an organization go about it?
We look at data-driven and the different types of data in the context of the tried and tested PPT framework, involving people, process, and technology. People refers to the human resource available at the disposal of your organization. It also includes a culture of treating data as a valued asset and other people factors that can affect business performance. In the context of master data, it's about having a detailed understanding of how should different roles own, verify, access, update, and analyze data about business entities across your organization. A big focus of master data is cultivating a single source of truth, or golden records, agreed and trusted by all stakeholders. In the context of reference data, it is about having the discipline to establish a valid and consistent standard and convention for data classification. Key stakeholders need to agree on which national or international standards to adopt, and also prescribe which conventions to follow if the reference data is specific to your organization. Process refers to the set of steps and actions that are required to achieve a specific goal or outcome. It is a way that people do their work, using technology as a tool or a support. In the context of master data, it is the processes that involve data creation, integration, consolidation, quality, and governance. Changes of master data are managed through business processes, as they should be defined by business operations. In the context of reference data, these are the processes that involve data classification, standardization, and governance. Changes of reference data are often managed outside of business processes, and they may be triggered by new or updated national or international standards. Technology refers to the tools and systems used by people to automate processes. Technology can include hardware, software, or a combination of both. In the context of master data, these are MDM, master data management software applications, that can automatically unite and recommend golden records of key business entities with total accuracy. In the context of reference data, these are the software applications that can store, maintain, and distribute valid reference data to systems and users across your organization. This framework builds a strong foundation for developing a future state, data-driven organization. For instance, by asking and answering these questions, what data needs governing? What is the data governance process? What are the roles and responsibilities? And how many of each role is needed? What technology do we use to automate master data and reference data management? This explains one approach of becoming data-driven. But how does an organization get started? This is what we will talk about in part 2, where we will share a maturity assessment-based approach for becoming data-driven.
We hope you have enjoyed this video on becoming data-driven, and we hope to see you in our next video. Take care until then.